Hello guys, and let me tell you one secret. When you see photos from the Bali, they usually have been taken in Nusa Penida Island. And if you are ready for the best Instagram pictures in your life, you can visit this island as well.
Well, we're about to take off. And the sea is beautiful, the weather also, I hope it's gonna be like this. Okay guys, I hope Lucky Shelf will help me. Let's go.
It takes 40 minutes by speedboat to get there. I highly recommend you to go there not alone, take a friend or your soulmate. Nusa Penida is quite deserted, so you will need good company to explore it. I came here with my friend. We rented bikes and it was the best experience ever. So, my another tip, rent a bike. It was really delightful to ride all these empty roads and explore all corners of this little paradise.
Okay, we came to Nusa Penida and the water is much better than actually in Bali. And the most beautiful photos you can see about Bali made actually in Nusa Penida. Bike here is no problem. You can do it easily for quite reasonable price, like $5-10 per day, so that's fine. Okay, we are rented motorbikes. Yahoo! Yeah, let's go. Yeah, I kinda like Nusa Penida already. Nusa Penida, yeah. It's pretty nice and cozy here. I think we gotta get some petrol and then maybe go to explore this island.
Nusa Penida Island is so different from what you see in Bali. It's like different country.
Island, it's hard to get somewhere because when you're going to the beach, everything is so beautiful, everything is so nice, palm trees, sea. We just decided to stop here for a while, take a couple pictures, like to look around, to watch this beautiful sea. Yeah, that's pretty much cool. This, what is it? Wow, that's beautiful. And some guys are here just fishing. Hey, do you have fish?
Yeah.
Oh, it's sniper. Oh, they catch some fish here. Yeah, that's cool, that's cool. Okay guys, keep going, keep our trip. I love this island.
There are a lot of good places to visit in this island, so you'll probably need 2 days. And of course, it's a very good idea to stay here and see stars, because light pollution is so low here. To be honest, I wouldn't mind to stay here a little bit longer, maybe 3 days or even 1 week, but we didn't have much time. So guys, I invite you to explore this island with us. Let's go!
So beautiful. Oh my god, but the road is really difficult.
To be honest, I was surprised. I didn't expect Nusa Penida is going to be so deserted. It was high season right after New Year, but as you can see, there are just few tourists. So it means less people and more space for adventures.
Yeah, I like this vibe. Beach. It's at Atuh Beach, the most famous beach in the Nusa Penida Island. Are you making for the ceremony?
Yes.
Nice. Dogs are super cute, especially this one, the little one. How cute she is. Oh my god, they just like super cute. I love Indonesian dogs. They are super cute. Well, the beach is very lonely and deserted. Yeah, like no one is here almost, and I like it. And it's really hard to swim here because a lot of rocks actually, but it's beautiful, yeah. Guys, and if you like my content, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Okay, we're going upstairs to see another beautiful beach. Oh guys, I think I will skip leg day for today because these steps are so big. Yeah, little beach where I just been. Oh, I forgot to film my food again. I forgot to film octopus. Yeah, that's beautiful views. Very nice, yeah. Oh, Roman looks like Balinese guy now.
If you like some lazy vacations, Nusa Penida is not for you. But if you like something active, you'll definitely love this island. As long as it's hard to reach almost every spot in this island, it feels more satisfaction when you finally got this view. Diving is also another attraction of Nusa Penida, but I didn't try it this time.
This is the view, the price of breathtaking views. It was very scary. My legs are shaking, but we are keep going because we want to see this beautiful diamond beach. Yeah, keep going. Yeah, guys, this is the price. This is the price to get to the most beautiful beach ever in Nusa Penida Island and maybe in Indonesia. Yeah, this is the price, but it's really worth it. Yeah, worth it. Yeah, guys, that was hard. Hard to get here, and we got it. We made it. Look at him, he's happy. Yeah, we did it. We got to the diamond beach. The most beautiful. Wow, guys, look at these waves. The most beautiful beach in Nusa Penida. Wow. We came from up there. Can you imagine that? Wow. Get to the viewpoint, and guys, this is just so gorgeous. I'm a little bit afraid to go there. But look at this. So nice. It's so cool. Oh my god. I've just been there. Yeah. Very gorgeous. Okay, we are about to leave this place. That was beautiful actually. Yeah, so beautiful, guys. I mean, yeah, I wish you be here with me. At least let me know in the comments, do you like it or not. Maybe you don't like, maybe say it's like, oh, nothing special. I have this beach at home, so maybe from some beautiful place which I should visit. And by the way, I got sunburned terribly. Oh my god, I look like a beetroot actually. I'll say goodbye to this beach. It's almost sunset. I guess, I hope we will catch sunset. Yeah, we're going to catch sunset on the western side of the island. Let's go.
Well guys, it's time to go to another spot. And road here is always an adventure. You can meet some crazy and funny kids here, for example, or try to steal some coconut, or maybe local people just give you bananas for free.
By the road, by this bananas, and this beautiful lady, she gave us some bananas. Yeah, very nice. Yeah, the whole bunch of bananas. Came here to meet sunset, and it looks like nothing special, but guys, look at this. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Yeah, this mountain point, really good. Yeah, and we did these bananas, which this lady gave it to us. Yeah, and that's good. Just found out that it's a chair, and we found 2 chairs here, and it's nice. And my friend is installing camera holder to take the greatest picture ever. And as I told you guys, the sunset became much more colorful. It's gonna become greater and greater. Yeah, just wait when the sun goes down, because it's gonna be just more perfect than usual. Yeah, the sunset just became perfect, but we have to go because this big island, 1 hour driving back home.
It was the best sunset in my life so far. So guys, let's get ready for the next day.
Good morning, guys. Quick room tour for you. We stayed here in this guest house. It's actually first line because there you can see ocean. Yeah, and it's nice and cozy. And more than that, it's cheap. It's like $10 for night. It's a little bit messy, yeah, because I was so tired yesterday. Yeah, this nice. The mirror, everything. Yeah, it's a little bit old, but I mean, like, generally, it's quite okay. Yeah, guys, now time to sleep. Getting out of the hotel on the bike again, and going to explore Nusa Penida a little bit more. Yeah, it's nice and deserted island. I didn't expect it's going to be like this. I expect it's going to be full of tourists, but it's quite nice. Let's go. Yeah. In this nice cafe by the beach, you can order anything, and the prices are so cheap. It's like $5 per one dish, maybe even less than $5, maybe like $3. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Looks gorgeous. Thank you.
Spaghetti carbonara.
Wow. The color of this dog just amazing. Look, guys. Looks so cute. I've seen a lot of dogs like this in Bali. Yeah. This cafe, when we stayed, the local cafe, they call them Varun. Varung. Varung means, I know, maybe cafe. I know what it doesn't mean actually, but it's nice. Found some nice deserted place here. The sign says open spa on the tree, and that was what captured our attention. Let's see. This guy, he knows Russian, and he's guiding us through all this resort. It's a little bit under construction because of weather and everything. And this is spa on the tree. Okay, I'll show you. Wow. This is spa on the tree. Crazy, crazy. Super nice place. Yeah. Swimming pool? Where?
Swing.
Oh, that would be great. Yeah, guys, that's what you usually see when you see pictures from Bali. That's probably Nusa Penida Island. Yeah. Came to another point of our this trip. It looks beautiful, but yeah, too many tourists here. It's not as deserted as the previous one. Yeah, but it looks gorgeous. Yeah, this looks gorgeous. But I don't know why so many tourists here. Yesterday it was always empty. Every point we've seen was empty. Now it's like tourists. Yeah. Food here, enjoy the view, but too much tourists for me. I live in this beautiful broken beach. It's really broken because you cannot swim here. That's probably that's why they call it broken. But it's beautiful though. Yeah. Look at these pineapples, guys. Just from the tree. I never seen it like this. Oh my god, it's just so incredible. Oh. To this beautiful beach, we need to get through all these terrible roads, but you know, guys, it's worth it. Totally worth it. Yeah, this is parking spot for the bikes. We came here and we didn't know how to get in the beach, how to get there. Crazy. Okay, I hope it's the right the right path to get to the beach. Oh, carefully please. Okay guys, it was the wrong path because actually there is a sign saying like beach and direct and nice way, and we're trying to get somewhere. Thank God we didn't make that way.
I didn't feel much of this beach, because it was the last point of our trip. Now it's time to get back to Bali Island.
Time to go home. Yeah, very nice, very nice.
And before this video will end, I want you to enjoy another footage of our trip. It was really beautiful ride. And if you guys like this trip, don't forget to hit like button and subscribe this channel. Love you all. See you next time.